Hi, this is George at Blackburn Audi, and today I'll be taking you on a walk round of this approved used Audi A1 Sportback, presented here in Technik specification with the 25 TFSI 95 PS petrol engine and slick 5-speed manual gearbox. It's finished in a solid shell white paint finish, and some of the key exterior features include the striking LED headlights, illuminating the road ahead in all sorts of conditions, while it sits on the chunky 15-inch 5-arm design alloy wheels, and there's the dynamic rear indicators making you really stand out on the road. This A1 also boasts a relatively large and spacious boot for a car of this size too, with 335 litres of capacity, plenty of space for your everyday needs, such as your weekly shopping for example. In the rear interior we have the really comfortable rear seats, which are finished in the really soft black cloth, and they feature ISOFIX child seat mounting points so you can safely secure a child seat in the back. Moving into the front interior, which is even more impressive, there's the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, complemented by the stylish black polygon structure inlays, and there's the front seats which are comfortable and supportive, perfect for those longer journeys. In terms of technology, this A1 boasts a digital instrument cluster where you can access useful information like your onboard computer and media connectivity too, whilst you can also easily set the speed limiter, and in the centre there's the touchscreen display where you can access useful features like the DAB digital radio, external media connectivity and telephone connectivity too, whilst there's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well, so you can easily connect your phone to make the most out of apps optimised for use in the car, like Waze, Google Maps or Spotify, and there's also a few driver assists for your safety and convenience. Just below there's the easy to use controls for the air conditioning, as well as a couple of USB Type-C ports so you can easily charge your phone whilst on the go, the slick 5-speed manual gear shifter and a couple of cup holders too. Thank you for watching this walk around video. If you're interested in this car or would like to know more, please see the description below and give the number listed a call, or alternatively click the link and make an online inquiry now.